Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into some amazing DIY sustainable home projects that you can start right now to make your home more eco-friendly. We're talking about simple, practical projects that can make a real difference for the environment and your wallet. We'll be covering everything from composting to rainwater harvesting, so you can start living a more sustainable lifestyle without breaking the bank. Remember, every little bit helps when it comes to sustainability. So grab your tools, let's roll up our sleeves and get started on these rewarding projects. You know, folks, for years I've been saying that a well-maintained home is a happy home, and that includes being mindful of our impact on the environment. That's why we're talking about sustainable home projects today. These projects are not just good for the planet, they're good for your wallet too. Think about it. Saving energy means saving money on your utility bills. And repurposing materials instead of buying new ones? Well, that's just smart spending. Plus, there's a real sense of satisfaction that comes from knowing you're doing your part to preserve our environment for future generations. It's about making conscious choices that benefit both your home and the world around you. And the best part is, you don't need to be a master craftsman to make a difference. Many of these projects are simple enough for anyone to tackle, and they can be done using materials you might already have lying around the house. So, let's dive in and see how we can make our homes more sustainable, one project at a time. Let's start with a project that's close to any gardener's heart: building a compost bin. Composting is nature's way of recycling, turning kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your garden. Now, you can buy a compost bin, but where's the fun in that? We're going to build one ourselves using simple materials you probably already have. An old plastic storage bin works great for this, or you can use some scrap wood to build a three-sided bin. Make sure it's got good air circulation. Those little critters breaking down your compost need to breathe. Start layering brown materials like dried leaves and twigs with green materials like vegetable scraps and grass clippings. Turn the pile every week or so to give it some air, and in a few months you'll have beautiful, rich compost to nourish your garden. Not only will you reduce your household waste, but you'll also have free, organic fertilizer. It's a win-win. We've all got a drawer full of old t-shirts we don't wear anymore, right? Well, instead of tossing them out, let's turn them into something useful: reusable shopping bags. It's a great way to cut down on plastic bags, and it's surprisingly easy to do. No sewing required. Just grab a t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and let's get started. First, lay the t-shirt flat and cut off the sleeves along the seam. Then, cut a wide U-shape around the neckline. This will be the opening of your bag. Turn the shirt inside out and tie the bottom of the shirt in a tight knot. Flip it right side out, and there you have it. A sturdy, reusable shopping bag ready to carry your groceries. You can get creative and use different colored shirts, or even add some fabric paint for a personal touch. It's a fun project for the whole family, and a great way to give those old tees a new lease on life. Water is a precious resource, and we should all do our part to conserve it. One simple way to do that is by collecting rainwater. It's easier than you might think. All you need is a rain barrel, which you can buy or make yourself from a large plastic drum. Position it under a downspout and you're ready to start collecting. Just make sure to cover the top with a screen to keep out debris and mosquitoes. You can use this collected rainwater for watering your garden, washing your car, or even flushing your toilet. It's a great way to reduce your reliance on municipal water and save some money on your water bill. Plus, rainwater is naturally soft, making it even better for your plants. So why let all that precious rainwater go to waste? Start harvesting it today and make a difference in your water consumption. Now this is a fun one. We're going to build a solar oven, a device that uses the power of the sun to cook food. It's a great way to enjoy some outdoor cooking while reducing your reliance on fossil fuels. You can build a simple solar oven using a cardboard box, some aluminum foil, and a piece of glass. Line the inside of the box with aluminum foil to reflect the sunlight, and create a flap with the cardboard to act as a reflector. Place your food in a black pot or pan to absorb more heat, and cover the box with the glass to trap the heat inside. Place the oven in direct sunlight, and let the sun do the cooking. It's a fun and educational project for the whole family, and it's a great way to teach kids about renewable energy. Plus, who doesn't love the taste of food cooked in the sun? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these DIY sustainable home projects, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more eco-friendly tips and tricks. Remember, Even small changes can make a big difference when it comes to sustainability. So pick a project, get started, and enjoy the satisfaction of making your home and our planet a little greener. See you next time.